How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over the different traffic advising patterns for our striker, virtue, and dart traffic advisors. Now, for example here, I'm using our multicolor Virtue 8 in a red, blue, amber color setup, and I'm using my optional direct control box here. So I have my power button, which will activate my unit in warning mode, and then I have my three traffic advising features here. So I have center out, left, right, and right, left. So I'll go ahead and go to center out here. Now, while you're in your traffic advising modes, you have three different patterns to choose from for center out, right, left, and left, right. So I'm in center out here, and this is pattern 1, and then I have pattern 2, and then pattern 3. Now, since this is a multicolor unit, you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between the primary and secondary colors. And the primary colors here are red, blue, and the secondary color is amber. Now, past your multicolor patterns, you'll have three patterns in your primary color. So you'll have three patterns in red, blue, that's pattern 1, pattern 2, and then pattern 3. And then you'll have three flash patterns in amber. So I'll have pattern 1 in amber, pattern 2, and then pattern 3. And then it's the same thing for right, left, and left, right as well. And after you get past those flash patterns, you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. So we'll activate the right, left here, for example. So again, you have pattern 1 in multicolor, pattern 2, and then pattern 3. And those are your multicolor flash patterns there. And then you'll have three patterns in your primary color here, pattern 1 in red, blue, pattern 2, and pattern 3. And then again, you'll have your secondary color flash patterns, and for example here it's amber. So you have pattern 1 in amber, pattern 2, and then you have pattern 3. And it's the same thing for left, right as well. And then again, past those, you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. Now finally, while you're in your traffic advising features with our direct control box, you also have the ability to control if you want your unit to flash slow or fast. So here we're in slow mode, and then you have your fast mode. And that also works while you're in warning mode as well. So that covers our different traffic advising flash patterns for our striker, virtue, and dart traffic advisors. And again, for example, I was using a multicolor Virtue 8 here. If you have any questions, shoot us an email or use our live chat feature, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.